Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download VirtualBox by Oracle and Ubuntu server. So first, let's go to browser and let's search for VirtualBox by Oracle. Click this one and then click download. So as you can see, there are many platform packages that you can choose from. If you are using Windows, choose Windows. If you are using macOS, choose macOS. If you are using Linux, choose Linux. If you are using Solaris, then use Solaris. I already downloaded this, so let's move to the next step. So go to your File Explorer, go to Downloads. So this is the one that we download from Oracle website. So double click it and yes. And then this is the installer. So click the next. So let's agree to the term so that we can use their app for free. So next. So this is the default settings. So I won't do anything about this. I will leave I will leave it as it is. So in this program files, Oracle or VirtualBox, this is the path. You can change it, depends on your preference. So next. So there's a warning that upon installation, this VirtualBox, you will disconnected in your network, and that's okay. So click yes. Then missing dependencies, yes. So this is the another settings. So I will leave it as it is or default mode. So let's click next and then install. So this might take 3 minutes. So our Oracle VirtualBox has been installed. Then click finish. Then let me explain to you guys the interface of VirtualBox. So on the upper left corner, we have a menu bar which contains File, Machine, and Help. In the side panel, we do have a Home, Extensions, Media, Network, Cloud, and Resources. And on the toolbar, we do have a New, Open, Preferences, Import, and Export. So, how do we connect Ubuntu server to virtual machine or VirtualBox? By doing this. So, first, let's download Ubuntu server. So, let's go back to Chrome or in your browser and then search for Ubuntu server. So, here, Ubuntu. Then, download Ubuntu. Then, server. And get Ubuntu server. So, this is the Ubuntu server. So it is a 3 GB. So it is a version of 24.04.3 LTS. So LTS means long-term support. So you can download this by clicking this. I already downloaded it, so let's move into the next step. So go back to your virtual machine, then click new, Then as you can see, there is a fill up form. So in vname or virtual machine name, I will name it as a Ubuntu games. Then in ISO image, let's select other and choose the one that you download from Ubuntu. This Ubuntu live server. Click this, then open, and then as you can see, there is a exclamation point on the middle part. So click it. So it will lead you to another fill up form. It is like I creating an account. So username, I will use my name, JK. Then password, I will use my last name. I will use big letter or all capital letters. Then for confirm my password, so my host name is, I will change it into a Ubuntu JK. Then my domain name is, I will leave it as it is or default mode. So after you finish fill upping this form, then click finish. Then it is installing now. So let's wait for several minutes. So let's wait. So as you can see, it is installing. So we will be right back. I will continue it afterwards. So as you can see, if this kind of lines pop up into your display or screen, so it means that Ubuntu server has been successfully installed. So let's try it by logging into our account that we created before. So let's press enter. So let's log in. JK and password is Santos. JK, wait, JK and password is Santos. Oh, as you can see, we entered the server that we created. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.